you have any?
These are all close contact. These are itty bitties, little kids. Okay.
That might be good for a visual. Is this a 17 inch?
This is my smallest. It is 16.
Oh, that's really cute. Are you taping now? Okay.
Yeah, that's really cute.
And then we have.
But actually, for the adults, for the gals, I've got a lot of 17s and a 17 and a half.
Let me see the 17 and a half.
And here's a 17 and a half.
Oh, wow. Oh, it smells
Smell
good.
good.
Now, does it come any bigger than that?
They come
'Cause
about
I don't
18.
think-
No, you're.
Do you think?
And usually when we fit saddles, I tell the gals it has nothing to do with the trunk. It's really, we're fitting your hip to knee ratio.
Okay. So my stomach doesn't matter.
But you got a trunk. Well, yeah. I mean, in
Well, for
your
the
case.
for the pommel, yeah.
So one day I hope to see you, and I'll fit you in a 17 and a half or an 18 because you're
I
long-legged.
used to have a 17 and a half.
Okay, you're long-legged.
Yeah,
Hip. Where's your little knee?
right there.
So you're long there.
Okay.
So, but yeah, we've got.
Well, that's not going to work. So let's try maybe. Let's look at boots.
Okay.
Maybe I can at least. Yeah, because I can ride. No, I couldn't do Western either because it's got a horn. Bareback. I'll ride bareback. Bareback. That would work.
Your backpack.
Okay. All right. That's a solution. Do you have a bareback for a perch run?
My husband has a draft cross.
There you go. Oh, I'm so glad you got that.